nakakataba ng puso to say that this will be the first CFD in Calabarzon, in South Luzon, and first CFD in Luzon na pinuntahan ng mga national officers to formally establish a chapter. So you are part of a history, pero tandaan nyo, sa history, marami ring Judas Iscariot. Diba? Napoleon Bonaparte, Adolf Hitler, Joseph, ang dami history, no? Okay? So, I have the materials given to me by Brother Ramon. Okay? And then I will send that, no? By next Saturday, tentatively, let's meet officers. Tentatively lang, no? Kasi, kung gusto nyo, kasi I don't know my schedule this week, no? I might go to Cebu. Joke lang. I might go to Cebu. I don't know my schedule this week, pero I will always inform you kung ano. Pero definitely, we will have a meeting this August because we need to plan everything. Yung sabi ni Brother Alvin, napakaganda nung sharing ni Brother Ramon, ni Brother Sok sa kanya, you read the Bible. And I'm planning to share, no, I have someone with me na nag-usap kami before that I think we can talk about the chronological order of the Bible. No? Kasi bakit ka ba inaantok sa Leviticus? Kasi you need to read Leviticus in light of Exodus. Yung mga ganoon, no? So, dadaanan natin lahat yan. Marami pa tayong kakaining bigas na hilaw. Marami pa tayong kakaining bigas, pero with God's grace, we are targeting Year of Faith, October, na kahit papano, we are doing our apostolate na. No? Kasi sasabay talaga tayo. Okay? And then next year, according sa CBCP, simula na yung pag-formation of faith based on the 9-year plan, no? Sa 500 year. Correct? 500 year of the Catholic faith in the Philippines. Kung di ako nagkakamali. So, timely. The manual is timely. Pagpunta nila Brother Alvin at Brother Ramon dito is timely. Si Brother, hindi ko siya classmate, ka-schoolmate ko siya sa theology study, sa SBD. Nagkausap kami. Kahapon ko lang sinabihan yun. Diba? Okay, for those people na wala dito, for whatever reason, kung mayroong matinding excuse, pero for those people na hindi nakapunta dito, this is a big loss for them. This is a big loss for them. Bakit? Yung mga hindi pa nakarating dito, automatic member, hindi. You need to undergo the basic apologetic seminar. Kailan pwede? Pag ready na kami. 2014. Joke lang yun. Okay? So, any question po? Hindi tungkol sa apologetics. Si Brother Alvin yun. Any question tungkol sa ating gagawin, organization? Okay? We finalized that, the officers, let's meet every third Saturday sana. Second or third Saturday. Kasi po, hindi talaga tayo pwedeng mag-meet ng weekdays. Kasi maraming working. Maraming working. No? Ako, I have a 5-year-old daughter na kailangan pakainin. No? So we will meet every Saturday. Don't worry, yung ano lang naman. Pag ready na po tayo, with the guidance of Brother Alvin, Father Abe, at sobrang hands-on support ni Father Domeng, we will visit Dasmariñas, Paliparan, para mabugbog na kayo doon, mapagsisipa na kayo doon, dami-dami nila. Question? Sino pa pong hindi nagbabayad ng 20,000 pesos? Kasi kanina 2,000 lang, yung ngayon 20,000 na. Okay? Yung mga kumuha ng CFD manual, nakalista po doon yung mga nagbayad kay Brother Romjeff. Okay? Wala na po. Si Brother Alvin, hanggang kailan po kayo dito po?
My itinerary for this week, I will go to Caloocan. I will go to St. Peter's Men's Society. So, may mga perspective din ako na parishes to visit. So, by that time, it would take siguro mga 1 month pa ako dito. So, let's make use of that opportunity that I'm here. And one thing also, don't forget, if I heard someone in Facebook, yung mga friends nyo, sabihin nyo, I am different in personal. Sabihin nyo, si Brother Alvin, mayabang niya lang yan sa Facebook, matapang lang yan, pero sa totoo, he is mild. Pero gwapo pa rin. Sorry. Sige, si Brett Manny Patasio is also my good friend. We have no difference whatsoever. If something we have, in the past we have a disagreement, is already past. In Catholicism, we're all brothers and sisters, we have to forgive each other. There is time for correction. Kung ayaw makorek sa akin, maybe the priest will correct him or another fellow Catholic will correct him. Tell the PUP people, I love them. I pray for them. And I want to help them. Baka sila dito magtago-tago ba? Si Brother Alvin, mayabang yan. Huwag natin yan tanggapin dito. Gagawa tayo nating sarili. Magantay lang tayo na sila dyan. Madidevelop. They will be teaching us. No, tell them, I'm sorry for what I have done if I hurt them. Then kung magkita kami, then I'll ask forgiveness. Mahirap ba yung maghingi ng patawad? Easy. So that I can also be saved. I preach, if I cannot be saved, di ba, I try my best, sabi ni St. Paul, 1 Corinthians 9:27, but if I do not beat my flesh, then I may be beating in vain.
Thank you very much. Ayun, so kung mga 1 month pa dito, I will have a constant communication with Brother Alvin. No? So baka I will talk to the officers, baka merong gustong locally. No? Baka gusto niya sponsor si Brother Alvin. For example, sa Dasma, baka may mga hindi pa naka-attend doon. Please coordinate with me. I will coordinate with Brother Alvin. Kasi minsan lang to. Minsan lang may pupuntang taga Cebu. Any question? Any answer? Okay? Wala na po. So, meron na tayong yung nakuha natin ngayong araw na to, meron tayong aspile. Kailangan maging sword yan, no? Aspile pa lang, no? Pero yun nga, we will do everything. I want the CFD Kalasag to be uniform. Now, when you say uniformity, kasi sabi nga kanina, we will act as one. We will act as one, diba? So, baka mamaya may CFD ayaw namin sa CFD Kalasag, dito kami sa CFD Espada kami. Diba? CFD Espada kami. Ano ba lang ganon? Kasi isa lang naman yung purpose natin. Okay? So kung wala na pong katanungan, I think we need to end the day with a prayer. And I will ask my very good friend there at the back, Brother Jonathan, to lead the closing prayer.